welcome to this video sessions. In this session, we'll learn how to find out gravitational acceleration using simple pendulum.
In this simulation, this is a kind of a software by which we can find out time period or the time taken by the pendulum to complete 10 oscillation for a concern or a relevant length, right? So initial cases, we will keep the length 30 centimeter, right? We'll keep the length 30 centimeter. So we can change its length by this terminal, right? We can decrease it here. As you can see, the length is decreasing. We'll kept it initially at 30 centimeter. So right now it is 30 centimeter, right? And we can measure it using this ruler. As you can see, it is 30 centimeter, right? We'll confirm it using magnifier. You can see it is 30 centimeter. And we can slightly adjust it. Right now it is correct. It is 30 centimeter. From the center, as you can see, we have 0.30 meter. So it is 30 centimeter. So the length of the pendulum is 30 centimeter, right? Okay. So we'll remove this magnifier. We can add stopwatch. This is a stopwatch. Now we'll remove this scaler, and then we'll start it oscillation. So as you can see, the pendulum is oscillating, and we'll find out time duration for the 10 oscillation, right? So we'll start from this point to calculate, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So again we'll use the magnifier, right? Or yes. So you can see that the time is 11.1. So that will note down as a first reading. Right? We remove the magnifier. So this is our observation table, right? So first reading is 11.13, right? So reading is 11.13. So that we have noted. That we have noted as a first reading, right? T1. Similarly, we'll measure T2, right? With using same procedure. Then we'll find out average time. So we'll add these two and divide by 2 to get average reading. Then it is a time for 10 oscillation. So for one oscillation, we have to divide it by 10. So capital T, time period, is equal to small t upon capital 10. So that will give us the time period. So our first target is to find out time period, right? So we have taken the first reading for the 30 centimeter. Now we'll take the second reading for the same length. So let's start now. We reset the clock. Now we are starting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it is 11.19. Again we'll note this 11.19, right? So the average, to find out average of these two reading, right? 11.13 plus 11.19, that will be this, and divided by 2 will gives us average. Average is 11.16, right? So So capital T is small t by 10. So if we divide this by 10, then that will be 1.116. You can check it by yourself, right? If you divide this term by 10, then this will be 1.116. So this will be the time period. 1.116 second is the time period of the oscillator. Now t square. So we have to square this. 1.116 into 1.116. So 1.245 will take reading up to 3 digits. 1.245. 1.245. Right, that is the t square. Now L by t square. L is 30 and t square is 1.245. So 30 divided by 1.245, that will be 24.096. 24.096. So that will be the L by t square, right? So this is now gravitational acceleration g. So as you can see, value of g, right? Equation of g, 4 pi square L by t square. Now we have calculated this L by t square for 30 centimeter, right? Now 4 pi square is a constant. Its value is 39.43. You can check it by yourself. The value of 4 pi square is 39.43, right? Now if we multiply this with the L by t square, then that will give us the value of the gravitational acceleration. So we'll do that. 4 pi square is 39.43. Multiply it by L by t square. L by t square is this, 24.096. So that will be 950.10. 950.10. So that will be the gravitational acceleration for 30 centimeters, right? Now I will give you an exercise that you have to find out this gravitational acceleration using the same procedure for this all length, 40 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 60 and 70, right? I will send you the link of this simulator. Again, I will tell you how to change its uh, length and all that. You can stop it by this, right? You can reset it by this. You can change the length of the pendulum by this knob, these two knobs. To decrease the length, you can use this knob, and to increase the length, you can use this knob. Right? This is how you can increase the length. Right? We do not have to increase its mass. Gravity, we are measuring it on Earth. Right? On Earth, we are measuring. Clock, you can reset it by this. You can start it by this. Right? If you start the oscillation, you can oscillate by this, right? And then you can start the button here. Okay. This is how you can stop and reset and reset button. You can use the ruler like this. So this is how you can do this experiment for various lengths. So this is an exercise to you all. Find out the gravitational acceleration for 40, 50, 60 and 70 and send me your answers. Okay. Then finally, if you find out all the gravitational acceleration, then you have to add this all and divide by 5, then that will give us the average gravitational acceleration, right? So this is how we can find out gravitational acceleration using this simple pendulum, right?